Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Lavishka. Welcome back to the series called Wing It with Money. I'm going to teach you my signature look in this video. So I've already cleansed my face and beginning with my red wine toner from Pilgrim. Don't forget to shake your toners before applying them. Let's wait till it gets absorbed by my skin. Now let's apply this coconut lip balm from the Sage company, which I found it on Instagram. Time to moisturize. I'm using this Nivea soft cream and I'm taking just a pea size. Just as you saw, I warmed up the product and then I am pushing the moisturizer into my skin, under my eyes, and don't forget your neck. और जो बच गया वो हाथ पे लगा लेते हैं. Let's give it some time to get absorbed in my skin. Now I'm using this primer from Stay Quirky in the shade orange and I'm applying on the areas where I need some pore filling or where I sweat. It's time for the foundation. I'm using this Blue Heaven foundation in the shade beige. I'm taking 2 to 3 pumps because it's a light to medium coverage foundation. Quickly dotting it on my entire face with my fingers, and now I'm taking this damn beauty blender and let's blend my foundation. Don't drag, just dab. Dab, 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 dab. Hey, I'm back. Now I'm back with my lenses on. I just forgot that I wanted to wear grey lenses. I'm using this concealer in the shade medium from Eyebrow Cosmetics. It's a halal certified brand and I just love this concealer. It's a medium to full coverage concealer. I have applied this concealer on the high points of my face and I'll blend this out and I'll blend my under eye area at the last after blending my entire face, and I'll make this weird face to stretch my under eye to avoid creasing. और जो blender पे बच चुका है वो upper lids पे. Setting the base with Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 25 medium. तो मैंने क्या किया, सेम ब्लेंडर लिया और थोड़ा सा लूज पाउडर ढक्कन पे निकाल कर डिप कर कर सबसे पहले अपनी अंडर आई एरिया सेट करेंगे एंड देन वील गो टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द फेस. लाइक वील सेट द एरियाज वेयर वी स्वेट मोर एंड दैट्स डन. Taking an angular flat brush, I'm making my eyebrows and this gray color from this brow palette. I'll quickly fill in the gaps of my eyebrows, maintaining my natural shape of the eyebrows. And now I'm taking this brown shade to contour, dusting off the excess. I'm finding my cheekbone and I'm applying that right on my cheekbone. That's done. And I'll blend it with the blender because I don't like harsh contour. Some more blending. Yeah, lift it just like that. Taking a small fluffy brush to do my nose contour and my jawline and double chin contour. Now let's blend everything with this blender. And I blend my nose contour through my fingers. Little bit of contour on the forehead. Taking this light pink shade for blush and applying right above my contour. Wow. Thoda nose pe bhi. Oh, this is a lot. So let's blend it, okay? Smile and then blend, blend, blend. I just like it. I don't know what I'm doing in the video. Taking the same shade which we used for our contour and a fluffy brush, and we'll place it above our crease line for a transition shade and just blend, blend, blend. You can see the difference, right? Now taking a flat brush, I'm placing that same shade under my eyes. Okay, eyes are done now. Using this brown matte liner from NY Bay, creating an outer wing and then slowly connecting it till the half of my lid. Now I'm making this inner corner. I'm again showing that how do I make my wing. I just draw a line outside my outer corner and then connect it till the halfway. Now I'm using this curler to curl my lashes. It will make a lot of difference, you guys. Using this fixer from Faces Canada. हमेशा अपने फिक्सर को शेक करो, अपने लिप्स बंद करो, अपनी आईज बंद करो, just like this. Maintain a distance of 15 centimeter and then spray, just like this. अब हमारे पास इलेक्ट्रिक फैन नहीं है तो अपने हाथों से सुखा लीजिए. Now I'm taking this champagne color highlighter and I'll place on my nose bridge, just the half of my nose bridge, and on the brow bone, inner corner, and on the cheekbones, you see. And I'll blend it all with my fingers. अभी मैं ले रही हूँ ये स्विस ब्यूटी की आईब्रो पेंसिल टू लाइन माई लिप्स. मुझे वो इंस्टाग्राम का परफेक्ट लिप शेड वाला ट्रेंड ट्राई करना है, तो उसमें ब्राउन आईब्रो पेंसिल से अपने लिप्स को पूरा लाइन कर लेते हैं. एंड देन वील अप्लाई आवर फेवरेट पिंक शेड in the middle, just like that. After applying, I'll just blend the edges. Now I'll dab it with my fingers so that everything appears smooth. Now let's take this lip gloss, clear gloss, for that perfect glossy lips. It's mascara time, so I'm taking this thick and thin volumizing mascara from Purple, and I'll just remove the excess and then apply one thick coat of my mascara, and voila, I'm done. So guys, that's it for my signature look. It's an easy peasy, simple, warm yet edgy and sharp look. If you guys try this look, please do tag me. And for more such tutorials, please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep grooming. I love you guys. Bye bye. Take care.